This is air fryer elote, our take on a Mexican classic. Maybe you don't have the time, maybe you don't have a grill, or maybe you made air fryer barbecue chicken and you wanted something to complement that. It's so fast, so easy. I'm gonna show you how to make this. And if you like recipes like this and you wanna see more, make sure you subscribe and like for future content. Let's get into it. All right, to get started, we're going to preheat our COSORI TurboBlaze. Make sure your crisper plate is loaded. I have a neutral oil here. If you're a little bit more calorie conscious, you could use a 0-calorie spray and just get that on the corn. Give it a nice, generous coat. Most important thing is actually making sure the entire corn is covered. Promise you, this is probably gonna be the hardest part of the recipe. It only gets easier here on out. Make sure you rotate your corn and coat the other side. And just like that, our preheat is almost ready. So from here, we're gonna get our corn onto our crisper plate. And now, back into the air fryer. We're gonna use the broil setting and set this for 16 minutes. But note, we're only gonna go for 8 minutes and I'll meet you back here to flip it over halfway. All right, so we're halfway through the cooking process. The corn's already starting to look pretty good. Let's go ahead and flip these over. Nice. And then from here, we're gonna put it back into the air fryer and let the air fryer do the rest of the work. See you in 8 minutes. Let's take a look at our corn. Woo, that's perfect. Okay, before we work on this, we're gonna let it cool down first. So, go ahead and set this aside. You're gonna want about 5 minutes over there, just let it cool, if not a little bit longer. But while that's cooling off, let's work on our crema spread. So basically, it's mayo. You can opt for a low-calorie mayo, low-fat mayo, whatever floats your boat, and Mexican crema. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in. All right, now that our corn is cooled off, important, super important, make sure it's not radiating heat because then when you actually dress your corn and you apply your mayo and crema mix, it's just gonna roll right off. So I guess moment of truth right here. Did we wait long enough? Boom, that's perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and dress our corn here. Way more than that. So as we continue dressing this corn, you wanna do it generously and evenly so that way when you apply the cotija cheese and our Tajín on top, everything will stick really nicely. All right, I'll finish the rest and I'll see you guys back here. All right, now that our corn's all dressed, we're gonna coat it with our toppings. So first, cotija cheese. Make sure you spin it thoroughly and you get every nook and angle on this. I gotta be more generous than that, come on now. Nice. All right, next, our Tajín. Again, you're gonna wanna make sure you coat this pretty evenly. If you want other options, there's also low sodium Tajín. And if you don't like it spicy or if you have low spice tolerance, you could totally opt out of Tajín. And for our final topping, cilantro. Just for that nice pop of color and that fresh bite to kind of cut through all the savory goodness we've made here. All right, time for the best part, taste test. Look at that. Oh, we did that. Sweet, savory, crunchy, a little bit of zest right there too. And I can't believe we just did that with our air fryer. Sorry, I'm drooling. It's that good. You gotta save this, try it at home, and I'll see you next time.